good Saturday morning and welcome to the French countryside out in Cubry in the east of France. It's actually quite near the border of Switzerland. Arrived yesterday from Paris or from Sweden coming to Paris and then drove 5 hours. A lot of traffic but really beautiful landscape. I think going on a road trip is always nice. Now we are going to be a group of people are going to a wedding. But of course I wanted to go up in the morning, get some steps in and now exploring the countryside here. I have only been to France twice before, to Paris and also south of France, but that was a very, very long time ago. So I'm excited to be outside now, exploring a bit of the nature. I think later today, maybe we're gonna go to a lake, we'll see if I can fly my drone as well. And the wedding is actually in 2 days, so just gonna share some of the beautiful surroundings here. Actually go for a run down here, show some of the backgrounds, but always love to be out exploring new places and especially the nature and the countryside. So let's see, yesterday we were sitting up chilling a little bit. Now it's a new start, getting out and get those steps in. So yeah, see what happens today, bring you guys along, see you a bit later. Welcome to the day after. We've concluded the wedding here. Super beautiful background. We're walking around exploring. There was a Jewish ceremony and then a Catholic ceremony here. And we're gonna enjoy some drinks. Not so much activity today, but super nice to enjoy here. So I'm gonna see you guys a bit later and enjoy the party after this. Very lucky with the weather. It started raining crazy, but we're having dinner right now, waiting for some nice food and drinks. Happy that we arranged the ceremony, so we're gonna be inside now. See you a bit later. So I think finally it's party time here with some great food. We have some beef and of course a lot of cheese that started. Now it's party time here. It's been a beautiful evening. I'll leave you guys here. Great to combine some partying and also mostly healthy lifestyle. So next up we're gonna go to Düsseldorf in Germany. So see you there. Have a great evening. Bye bye.